Right now we have fixed main line. We're all gonna be installed two-way clean outs over here and do epoxy liner, reline the line with the epoxy. And this is what we're gonna do today. Enjoy the process. Right now we crack the pipe and you can see thickness of the pipe. Normally, cast iron pipe, you're not able to break it like this. See? It's pipe 99% dead. Nothing what you can do. If pipe is good, you will never able to do that with the sledgehammer. And this is good time because in like 3-5 years later, they're gonna be gone and probably you're not able to do epoxy liner even. But right now, it's good enough to reline the pipe. When we're digging, pipe over here is wet, like on this area, and here's a crack go all the way down in the pipe. It's already existing. We have to put mission band to able descale and do epoxy liner later to don't destroy the pipe completely. Right now we will start the descale, and this is descale head. We will gonna use 4,500 psi, 17 gallon per minute pressure, and it's help us descale, remove all scale in the pipe and make original size, make clean pipe inside the line. Right now we're gonna be clean it with the descale, clean it most of them, and right now just make nice and shine inside the pipe with a Picot machine and a sandpaper will be makes really nice and clean inside when we shot epoxy liner, then be beautiful after end. Right now we did epoxy liner from here through the house and from bottom to the city, and then we're gonna be installed two-way clean outs and backfill everything and just make like we never been here before. Job is done and everyone happy, and it's good. I like when everyone happy.